Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are in Miami Beach, Florida, and I am going to show you how to do retail arbitrage. So right now I am driving to Target and we are going to see if we can find some profits. So we are going to use Codify, which is a free app. It's not free, you get it with Inventory Lab, with your membership. So in my opinion, this is the best app you can do, the best app you can use when you are doing retail arbitrage, because you can actually scan your products and add it to your target list, not your target list, sorry, to a buy list, and you can import that buy list straight to Inventory Lab. And so when you have 200 items and I'm sorry, I need to speed up a little bit. So when you have 200 items to add into a batch and ship to Amazon, it's way easier. But today we are just going to focus on the product research part. We are going to Target. We're almost there. I'll see you over there. Okay guys, we are at Target right now. I found two products. So this is the first one. And I can sell a pack of two on Amazon for $17.62. So we're gonna make 47% return on investment. I found this one, which is sells for $11 and it's $22.50 on Amazon, so I can make $3.19. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's a quick $15 profit. Okay guys, we are back home, as you can see. So I wanted to show you, as I said, that you can actually find the same exact product online. You have no reason to go in store and scan products. It's totally a waste of time. Here's an example. So for the first product that I found today, so this is the product that you can get it on Target.com. So you can totally find it just by scanning Target's website and seeing what's in there with all your discounts and stuff. And it's actually easier to get the exact cost of your product, because I can see that it's $10.59. I have my spreadsheet. So by the way, link in the description, as always, if you want to get my spreadsheet. So it's $10.59. I have 1% cash back on Target. I can get a 3% gift card on Raise.com. And by the way, guys, when you get to a store and you do retail arbitrage, you're not gonna look at discounted gift cards, because it's like, let's be honest, you're not gonna do that in your car or in the store while you wait for the cashier and stuff. Like, you're not gonna do that. When you do online arbitrage, you can do it easily. So once I have my basket ready, I can just go on Raise.com, wherever I buy my discounted gift card, and get my gift card. So this will help you reduce your cost. So this will bring our cost down to $10.89. And here it is. $10.89, we got 37% return on investment. And we have actually a better way to actually look at information, and we can see that Amazon was in stock back before. You can see that, by the way. I have a video on Keepa, if you don't know to use Keepa, but we can see that by the orange background right there, below the buy box line. So, are you gonna do that when you do retail arbitrage? Maybe, maybe not, and probably not, because you're doing less volume right now. Basically, if I do online arbitrage, wait, this is not the right product. If I do online arbitrage, I can buy 2 at a time actually on this website, but I can also get it from Walgreens. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive on Walgreens, but actually no, because there's a 15%. It's actually out of stock. But if you actually check the website every day, you're going to be able to find this product when it's actually in stock, when you do online arbitrage. So let's say it was still in stock at Walgreens. So we got 15% off. It's $11.99. $11.99. 15% off. Let's add that into the coupon. So this is $10.80. It's pretty much the same price. And we can actually get $4.20 cashback. Yeah, $4.20. No, it's not up to. So we can get 4.2% of cashback. So this brings our cost to $10.48. So you can see how easy it is. We're able to increase our profit margins. You cannot do that when you do retail arbitrage, and this is why I believe online arbitrage is a better model. No, If you do retail arbitrage, it's better to actually go to discounted stores like Ross, Marshalls, all those stores when you can get products for cheaper than their MSRP. It's not going to always be the case when you go to stores like Target, Walmart, and stuff. Like, you do the clearance section, but you can find the same deals online, so you're gonna get beat like most of the time. You cannot get as much volume. You cannot get a big enough quantity of the same SKU to make it, worth your time. Once again, it's my opinion. This is why I went from retail arbitrage to online arbitrage. Here's the second product that I found. I don't know if I showed it when I was in a store, but this is another product. Once again, it is out of stock on Target. No, I mean on the website, but it was in the store. So the thing is this: if you yourself or your team, from the comfort of your home, check the Target website every day for deals, you're gonna find this deal when it's available. So you can find the exact same deals online, and this is why once again, for me, retail arbitrage is not worth it, because you can just do the stuff online, get it shipped to your house or shipped to your prep center directly, and they take care of the shipping. No need to drive to a store and stuff. And this is why today I do online arbitrage. So I hope you liked this video. If you don't know what online arbitrage is, I have a video on that. You can check it right now by clicking here.